Hey folks, this video is going to cover how to use the infamous 5 C's of marketing to conduct a situational analysis. The 5 C's refer to company, collaborators, competitors, climate, and most importantly, customers. When evaluating the company, we look inside at our own business and ask questions about the situation we face. What do we sell? What do we do? How are we differentiated? What competitive advantages might we have? In which parts of the value chain do we do better or worse? Where are we currently placing investments and where do we want to place them in the future? And lastly, what are our goals? Looking to collaborators, we want to evaluate what partnerships might look like for us. How are we partnered with suppliers? Do we outsource our logistics? Do we utilize a vendor platform like Amazon? Do we outsource other aspects of our business or production? Do we need business development and alliance management to make sure we're executing on our promises with our collaborators? Then we look at our competitors. Who are they? Are they growing or new? What are their products? How are they differentiating themselves? What are they promoting as their competitive advantages? And what customers are they targeting? When evaluating climate, we want the external factors similar to what you can see with a pestle analysis. That's looking at political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors that may impact our business and marketing. And finally, the customer. We want to ask ourselves, who are they and who do we want them to be in the future? What value are we providing to them? How are they finding and purchasing from us? What drives their purchasing behavior? And what is their feedback and how can we address it? Evaluating the 5 C's in this manner, especially focusing down on who our customers are and how we can best serve them, is a key component for marketing strategy and positioning. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more if you haven't yet. Comment any professional or business questions down below. Work smart, be kind, help others. Here's my cat. Bye.